friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us learn Y words together.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let us go. Y is for yak.
Y is for yak.
Y is for yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
Y is for yam.
Y is for yam.
Y is for yogurt.
Y is for yogurt.
Y is for yacht.
Y is for yacht.
Y is for yoga.
Y is for yoga.
Y is for young.
Y is for young.
Y is for yawn.
Y is for yawn.
Y is for yummy.
Y is for yummy.
Wow, that's amazing. We have learned so many Y words together. Yellow, yo-yo, yak, yawn, yacht. So there are so many new words. You did so well. Thank you for learning with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.